Hi there, students. To vitiate, verb. Vitiable, an adjective. Vitiation, the noun, the quality. And a vitiator, a person who does it. Okay, so to vitiate means to reduce the effectiveness of something, to reduce its value, to impair, to spoil the quality of it. So his good grammar is vitiated by his appalling, very bad, pronunciation. Okay, so it's reduced in its effectiveness. If you only half charge this rechargeable battery, it vitiates the efficiency of the battery over the long term. To vitiate, to morally corrupt, to debase. So the demonstration was for a very good cause, but it was completely vitiated by the violence that occurred. Yeah, it was spoiled. Let's see, you have good habits that can easily be vitiated by various factors in life. And then finally, to vitiate as a legal word, to vitiate a contract, to make ineffective, to make null and void. So failure to pay will vitiate the contract. Okay, it's to make a contract or a stipulation, a term or condition in a contract ineffective, to cancel it. Okay, so vitiation of the contract will occur upon the death of either of the parties. Wearing glasses, I think it probably vitiates your sight. Maybe you see more clearly for a time, but I think it vitiates the quality of sight. The musician was a really good musician, but the concert was vitiated by the appalling acoustics, the sounds in the room. Okay, so a vitiator, a person who corrupts something. So alcohol was his vitiator. Yeah, this word to vitiate, it comes from the word vice, or is linked to the word vice. Yeah, a vice is a bad habit like gluttony or smoking or something like that. Okay, so to vitiate, to make something bad, to destroy or damage something. Bojo's reputation has been vitiated by these recent scandals. His credibility was vitiated by some of the silly things that he said at a later point. Our intentions should not be vitiated by problems that may crop up on the way. Okay, so to vitiate, if you vitiate something, you reduce its effectiveness. The efficiency of the engine it will be vitiated if you use poor quality fuel. Yeah, his scientific investigation was very interesting, but it was mostly vitiated by basic mistakes and errors. So, to vitiate, to make faulty, to make imperfect, to spoil, to mar, if you like. So yes, it was a beautiful view vitiated by rubbish everywhere. To debase, to pervert, to corrupt. So yeah, his high morals were vitiated by his ambition. And then to vitiate a contract, to stop something being legal, particularly a document or a contract. So this vitiated the contract. Okay, so yeah, vitiation of the contract was caused by misuse of the premises, or misuse of the place. Okay, so to vitiate, to spoil, to mar, to debase, to corrupt, and to invalidate. Okay, formality, to vitiate. This is a formal word. Formal word. It sounds literary and formal. I think I'd give it 7.5. I think I might even go to an 8 in formality. Don't use it in an informal conversation. It would be a weird choice. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the Latin verb vitio, to damage, to spoil, which itself comes from vitium, meaning vice. Okay, so to vitiate, to spoil something, to make it work less well, to corrupt it, or to invalidate a contract. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Vitiate.